Have you ever wondered what makes a country, country? Why say everyone agrees that Germany is a country but Kurdistan isn't? Well, here's the short answer. Kurdistan doesn't have any territory. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Okay, I know you all want the long answer. Kurdistan may not have any territory, but so does the Order of Malta, which is considered a country and even has embassies. So why? International law sets 4 criteria that make a country. These are permanent population, defined territory, a functional government, and capacity to interact with other states. The Order of Malta ticks 3 of those boxes, Kurdistan only 1. But what if you wanted to start a own country? Let's do it! But before we start, please subscribe to the channel. I'm after a long break and I do not want the YouTube algorithm to forget about me. So just click that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified about my upcoming videos. Okay, let's create a country. First, we need to choose where our country would be located. For the purposes of this video only, our country will be the Płock county in central Poland, with a territory of this many square kilometers and with the population of this. Great! We ticked the first 2 boxes. Now we need the government. The current city council of Płock would do the job for now. And the city will also be its capital. Now, with 3 boxes ticked, time to declare our independence. And disclaimer, for legal purposes, what I'm about to say is only for the purpose of educational content of YouTube, not a true secession from the country. Alright, here we go. I hereby declare the territories of Płock County and the city of Płock to be a sovereign, independent state from the Republic of Poland, called the Republic of Mazovia, with its own constitution, law, and government. The territory of the Republic of Mazovia shall include communes of Stara Biała, Gołmin, Bielsk, Radzanowo, Brudzeń Duży, Bodzanów, Drobin, Słupno, Staroźreby, Mała Wieś, Wyszogród, Bulkowo, Łąck, Słubice, Nowy Duninów, and the capital city of Płock. The republic shall be led by the current mayor of the county until a free democratic election can be held. And congratulations! We are now officially a micronation, a self-proclaimed sovereign political entity, which lacks recognition from other states. Now we need to get that recognition. Of course, the Polish government will never recognize our claim to the territory, most likely because they don't want to lose the biggest refinery in the country, that's half owned by the state. And if the Polish government won't recognize Mazovia, nobody else will. That's how micronations like Liberland, Birtawil or Sealand exist. They claim a certain territory, but with zero recognition. Most micronations tend to spring as a byproduct of territorial disputes, where there is a territory that no one claims. Liberland is located on the pocket of land that isn't claimed by either Croatia or Serbia, while Birtawil is the same case, located between Egypt and Sudan. But neither of those countries will ever accept its legal existence, because in one way or another, this territory belongs to someone. So, why not venture into the land that no country has jurisdiction over? The most obvious answer would be Antarctica, and despite a few countries sort of claiming its land and having research stations, this big chunk, called Mary Birdland, is unclaimed. Now, well, sorry to disappoint you, but claiming it and setting up a country there would be illegal under international law. The Antarctic Treaty states that no new claims shall be made as long as this treaty is enforced. So if you really want to make a new country on unclaimed land, venture into the sea and try to discover some new islands. And just to end this video off, I hereby announce the dissolution of the Republic of Mazovia and reintegration of its territories into the Republic of Poland. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.